Part 1: The first two forbidden truths. There are truths so dangerous, so world-shattering, that humanity was never meant to know. Knowledge that twists reality, erases certainty, and exposes the fragility of our existence. You may believe the world you live in is stable and predictable. But beneath the surface of science and history lie secrets hidden, silenced, forbidden. Today, we reveal 5 truths humanity was never meant to uncover. Forbidden Truth 1: The signal from the end of time. In 1983, a deep space monitoring satellite captured a signal unlike anything ever known. It wasn't a pulsar, not cosmic background noise, not static. It was a precise, repeating digital pattern, pulsing like a heartbeat emanating from beyond the observable universe. Scientists struggled for years to decode it. Some believed it was an echo from the birth of the cosmos. But when finally translated, the result chilled every researcher. Do not seek the origin. The end has already begun. The signal was immediately classified. Whispers among insiders revealed it wasn't from the past, it came from the future. A warning sent across time. A message urging humanity to reconsider its trajectory before irreversible disaster struck. The more it was studied, the more disturbing the pattern became. Embedded in the pulses were mathematical formulas predicting cosmic events, human conflicts, and environmental collapse decades before they occurred. The universe itself seemed to be communicating a message of caution, perceptible only to the most attentive. Forbidden Truth 2: The code hidden in our DNA. Every human carries 3 billion base pairs in their DNA. Within them lies a sequence that defies explanation. A repeating pattern, mathematically precise. Far too complex for natural evolution. Geneticists dubbed it the signature. Prime numbers, fractals, sequences resembling computer code rather than biology. Some researchers believe it represents instructions left by an intelligence far beyond humanity. After the human genome was mapped in 2003, a handful of scientists noticed these sequences. Minor findings were published, but the researchers soon disappeared from academia. The whispers say this code is a warning embedded in every cell, a record of previous civilizations, perhaps even of our creators. What if humanity is not the first intelligent life on Earth? If we are the product of an experiment? Every discovery and leap of knowledge carries risks beyond our comprehension. Part 2: The lost civilization and the simulation truth. You have glimpsed the signals from the edge of time. You have seen the hidden code embedded in every human cell. Now, it is time to uncover truths older than recorded history. Forbidden Truth 3: The lost civilization before us. For centuries, myths spoke of ancient cities swallowed by oceans or buried beneath deserts. Atlantis, Lemuria, mere stories? Or fragments of reality humanity was never meant to remember? In 1997, deep sonar scans beneath the Caribbean revealed enormous stone structures, right angles, corridors, towers, foundations. So precise, nature alone couldn't have formed them. Geologists initially dismissed the findings, but satellite imagery later confirmed similar patterns worldwide. Beneath Antarctica, under the Sahara, deep in the Pacific Ocean, an artifact surfaced nearby, a tablet of unknown alloy, at least 20,000 years old, inscribed not with primitive symbols, but binary sequences, resembling encoded instructions. Decoding attempts revealed a catastrophic event, an ancient weapon that wiped civilizations from the planet. At the end of the message, one chilling warning: "We tried to warn you. We failed." Could humanity be walking the same path? Was history only the latest chapter of repeated cycles of rise and destruction? These ruins may not belong to our ancestors, but to a civilization that came before us. Their warning buried in stone, waiting for the curious to uncover. Forbidden Truth 4: Reality is a simulation. In 2021, quantum physicists stumbled upon a discovery that defied everything. Fundamental constants of the universe. Matched patterns found in advanced computing systems. Mathematical sequences resembling error correction. Algorithms embedded in the fabric of reality itself. Experiments revealed anomalies. Particles disappearing and reappearing. Events changing unpredictably based on observation. Observers could not fully control outcomes, but their presence mattered. If reality is coded, then every atom, star, and thought could exist as data within a colossal simulation. And the more awareness humans gain, the more the simulation adapts. Concealing truths, erasing anomalies, guiding us along a predetermined path. Some theorists whispered a horrifying possibility. The universe actively protects itself from our understanding. Curiosity may trigger corrections, erasing knowledge and even memories. ensuring some truths remain forever hidden. Part 3: The final forbidden truth. In conclusion, you have seen signals from the edge of time. You have uncovered hidden codes in human DNA. You have glimpsed civilizations older than recorded history. You have questioned the very nature of reality. Now, the final truth awaits, one that governments, scientists, and the powerful have tried to conceal for centuries. Forbidden Truth 5: The Silence Protocol. Across the world, secret agencies maintain files we will never see. Events, discoveries, and anomalies that could shatter our understanding of life are quietly suppressed. The Silence Protocol exists not only to prevent panic, but to ensure that humanity never grasps the full picture. Satellites record unexplainable phenomena, then data disappears. Historical artifacts vanish. Whistleblowers are discredited or disappear altogether. Yet fragments leak. Reports of cities that vanish overnight, oceans behaving unpredictably, and inexplicable natural events in remote corners of the world all hint at a reality far stranger than we are permitted to imagine. We are not in control. Our civilization walks a path predestined, orchestrated by forces beyond comprehension. Every advancement, every revelation, nudges us closer to the edge, where ignorance may have been safer than knowledge. Conclusion: the choice you face. Perhaps the most terrifying truth is not what has been hidden, but what happens when you discover it. Every secret, every forbidden truth, is a choice. Do you ignore them and live comfortably in illusion? Or do you seek knowledge, knowing some truths are too dangerous to bear? The universe is patient but unforgiving. Curiosity is a double-edged sword. The 5 forbidden truths are not mere stories. They are warnings, echoes, and signs. Signals from the end of time. Codes within your very DNA. Remnants of lost civilizations. The digital glitches of your perceived reality. The silence that conceals the greatest threats. Listen carefully, observe the patterns, and remember, the forces that shape your existence are always watching. You have been warned.